Namaste everyone and welcome back. In a different place on my India tour, I am in the city of Udaipur. It's an amazing, fantastic place. It's known as the city of the lakes, and I was really taken aback when I first came here. It's got such a Mediterranean style to it because of the lakes, the restaurants all down the lakes. It is a pretty amazing place. They filmed different films here way back in the 80s. If you remember a film called The Octopussy, it was James Bond. That was filmed here. So today, what I'm going to do, I'm just walking around the back streets. I found and been recommended some Indian homemade food. Now, I haven't done a food video yet, and a couple of people have said to me, so I've been recommended it. I also looked online. It's homemade by the owner herself. I popped in there yesterday and spoke to her about it. Let me just get out of the way of another tuk-tuk. I spoke to the owner yesterday about it. It's well known. It's well known around these parts. It's extremely good food from what I've heard. But as I say, it's traditional homemade Indian food. So I'm just going to pop down there now. I'm going to pop down there now to the restaurant, and I'll see you inside. Okay, the name of the restaurant is just up there. It's called the Neelam Restaurant. The Neelam is the owner herself. I'm just going to walk in now, and these are the steps up to the restaurant. And there you can see Neelam. Okay, I'll see you upstairs. Okay guys, right, I'm sat down in the restaurant. I've just ordered. I've ordered what is the most famous dish I've heard about and what they serve here. It's a thali. So basically, if you don't know what a thali is, it's just like a platter. That's what it's named after, like a plate or a platter. So it's a platter of all different foods, of vegetables and rice. So that's what I've ordered. It should be coming soon, and then I'll set the camera up so we can see what it looks like. The actual thali itself here, as I say, is quite famous, so I'm looking forward to eating it. It's 180 rupees, which is about £1.80, around about just over $2 US. I've heard it's amazing. Let's find out when the food comes in. Okay guys, so the food has just arrived. The gentleman's just bought it for me. So I'm just going to turn the camera around and show you what we have here. So this is the thali. I've actually ordered it. It's quite spicy. So it might be a little bit of a problem for my mouth, but we'll give it a go. So obviously there you've got your rice, and you have a couple of mixed vegetable dishes there. And you have some curd yogurt, coriander, and chutney, and obviously your bread as well. Okay, looking forward to this. Right guys, I'm just going to set the camera up again, and then I'll show you exactly what it's going to taste like. See you in a minute. Right, okay guys, that's it. So I'm gonna, because it's on this big plate, as I say, it is a thali, so that's exactly what it's named after, a plate, a platter. So I'm gonna move all the bits off. Gives me one big plate. Remember to use my right hand and not my left hand. If you know about that, you know about that. Okay, here in India. So first of all, I'm just going to put the rice and the vegetables around. Potatoes and coriander, peas, carrots, it's all in there. With some of the curd. See the curd yogurt? Dal. And this is quite hot, and I think that's going to be quite spicy. Oh my God, there's more. No, for me. You feel right? Okay, my friend. Okay, there's more bread coming, but I have lots of bread already. So I'm okay in the morning. Yeah. Thank you very much. I think that's going to be enough bread for me. Okay, very nice. So yes, the guy was just offering me more bread, just to show you guys. In my hands, I already have 4. I think maybe he's not going to appreciate that too much, but we never know. It's all to mop it up. Okay. Right, so straight away, right, we haven't put any of this on. I'll mix it all up. So it's all the different dishes all on one plate, and that way we get all the different flavours, all the different aromas, all in one go. Okay, so just going to pick you guys up and to show you here on the plate what I've got. Probably you can see it from the side there. So there's obviously your rice, and there is the whole mixture together, all on the plate, and then obviously the bowls that I've been using, and the amount of bread I've got. My God, so much. But it looks scrumptious, it looks lovely. As I say, I think it might be a little bit hot. We'll see, I'll find out in a minute. Pop me back down. Okay, right. So all I have is a spoon. Let's just taste it. Just the rice is just a normal boiled plain rice. Straight away, I've just mixed it up with some of the food, some of the vegetables. Absolutely scrumptious. There's also tomatoes inside there. The flavour is so nice. Straight away. Okay, let's just try some of these. You can see them. Look like maybe lentils. Again, it's the flavour. So back home in England, we have a lot of Indian restaurants. Indian restaurants everywhere, it's so popular. The thing is, if you speak to any Indian person in England who's from India, they will always tell you that the restaurants are not exactly the same sort of food as what you would get here in India. I know this especially, I grew up in London around quite a few Indian people, British Indians, and their parents were Indian. I've had in the past food cooked by the mothers, by the grandmothers. It takes a long time, sometimes a day or two, and it's been absolutely amazing. Yes, the Indian restaurants are good, but the home cooked food, just like this, is just that extra special. Okay, let's carry on. So we're going to try a bit of curd, mix it up with the rice. Okay. It gives it a lovely sort of creamy taste. And I can feel the spice already in my mouth. When I was younger, I could not eat any spice whatsoever. It used to be a little bit of a running joke. I couldn't handle any spice. I actually taught myself how to start eating just by starting off with extra strong mince, chili flakes, and I just carried on, and now I'm not too bad. But this is hot. So we mix some of the lentils, potatoes, curd, all together. Now that is these spices. Oh my God! I forgot to ask the man for water. Next time I see him, I definitely need water. That is extremely hot, and that is just one little spoon of it. Wow! I need a little bit of yogurt just to cool that down slightly. And a little bit of bread to mop it up. Lovely homemade bread. Let's just mop that up a bit. Oh my God, that is so hot. The bread itself, as you can imagine, It's so tasty as well. It's not just like a plain. It's soft, which I always like. I don't like anything hard. I like soft things like this. But it's just so tasty. Everything on this plate, on this thali, as you can imagine, all goes together, all mixes in together with a different taste. It's fantastic. Oh my God, my throat. I just missed the guy about the water. I desperately need some water. But we'll carry on. So many different flavours. And so much noise behind me, as always. Amazing. Amazing food. Again, I can show you. So there is where I've got to. We've still got a long way to go. But just mixing it up, as I say, with all the different ingredients and spices all around. It's fantastico. I didn't have breakfast this morning. Just on purpose. I was looking forward to this so much, I didn't want to be full, I wanted to eat it all. It's definitely worth the wait. All them potatoes and vegetables and all mixed together. It's probably been overnight where Neelam has been cooking it. She also does cooking classes here. So if you're ever around Udaipur, she will do cooking classes. I think it lasts something like 2 hours. And she'll give you a good insight about cooking homemade, traditional Indian food. Hello!
Like it?
Oh, it's absolutely amazing. So guys, this is Neelam, who I spoke to earlier. She is the owner. She's also the cook. I'm just going to turn it around, if you don't mind. I'm just going to show you Neelam. So Neelam, yes, it's absolutely amazing food. Hello. I was just saying as well, the different spices and the variety in the vegetables, it's real homemade Indian cooking.
Yeah.
Not like the Indian restaurants we have in England. This is real traditional food. It's so nice. It's so lovely.
Thank you.
Every spice, the vegetables. And you also do cooking classes as well, don't you? It's about 2 hours?
2 hours.
2 hours?
Yeah, 2 hours. And if you like morning time 10 o'clock.
Yeah.
And evening time 4 o'clock.
Okay.
And one day before you book it.
1 day before?
Because.
Okay, so you can do it in the afternoon or you can do it in the evening.
Yeah.
It lasts for 2 hours and you have to do it the day before.
Yeah. Maybe 10 o'clock, no restaurant open.
Okay.
So me cooking classes 2 hours.
Okay.
And 4 o'clock break.
Yeah, 4 o'clock
Sometimes break. Cooking class, so break. No cooking class, no break.
Okay,
Yeah.
so you're just always busy.
Yeah.
Cooking this amazing food. It really is so nice. As I was just saying to the guys again, I'm just going to show them. Obviously, we have your plain boiled rice, but all the vegetables, they're in there.
Little okra.
Okay, okra.
Mixed veg.
Mixed veg.
Yeah, and dal.
Dal.
And yogurt sauce.
Yogurt sauce, which is, yes.
Coriander sauce.
And coriander sauce. Okay. And in the vegetables, I can taste like tomatoes and potatoes.
Yeah. 5 vegetable mix.
5 vegetable mix.
Yeah, mixed veg.
Okay, mixed veg, yeah. And it's so nice. I look already.
Yeah.
Look, it's all on the plate. There's nothing there.
Nice.
So yeah, I'm going to carry on eating this. Thank you, Neelam. Thank you for everything. And I'll see you when I finish as well. And do you mind, can I have a bottle of water, please?
Water. Okay. And vegetable more?
I'm okay for now, thank you. I'm okay for now. My mouth is a little bit hot. There's Neelam, thank you very much. So there you go, guys. There is the actual cook, the homemade cook. Her name is Neelam, as I say. She is a traditional housewife. I spoke to her yesterday and she's just always busy. If she's not cooking the food, if she's not in the restaurant serving, she's also doing the cooking classes. Always busy, always happy as well. Very happy place. I love happy people. Happy people, happy food. Cheers. Oh my God, do I need that? My eyes are literally watering. Thank God for that. Amazing food, but so hot. And we keep going. Well, that's it. That is the end of the food. I've just finished the last piece off. It was really, really tasty, so lovely. It really was a fantastic dish to eat, this thali. I'm burned a little bit down here now, but I've enjoyed it so much. Just to prove, just to give some evidence that I've eaten it all. There you go, guys. There is everything mopped up and eaten. Everything is empty. And definitely worth visiting here. It's certainly lived up to its reputation. I'm going to be walking back over the bridge, so I might just put a little clip or two of Udaipur just to show you, as I said in the beginning of the video, what it's like here. It's a little bit continental, Europe continental. It's like Europe continental meets India. It really is a fantastic place. I'll see you again soon. Take care.